In this Slate Byte, we'll be discussing using an import to create pledges. The recommended file format for importing pledges is to have one row per pledge. Now let's take a look at a file. In your file, you want to make sure you include some information to match to the existing record in the database who should be receiving the pledge. In our file, we'll be matching to the record via the Slate reference ID. To create a pledge in the database, you'll need to make sure that your file also includes the fund, the amount, the status, and the type. In this example file, I've also included some additional data points. We're going to link the pledge to a campaign as well as import the pledge date. When doing the field mappings for a pledge, you want to make sure you map to the giving pledge destination. Under the giving pledge destination, you then want to map to the appropriate location. So in our case, we have the fund going to the fund, the amount to the amount, status to status, type to type, campaign to campaign, and date to date. If you're importing pledges from another system, and that other system has a unique ID per pledge, you want to bring that over as well. The best location to map that is going to be the pledge external ID. By mapping this value to the pledge external ID, it'll make it easier for future imports to update the existing pledge in the database. With the destinations mapped, head over to the prompt value mappings, refresh the values there, and make sure your unmapped values are mapped. With our values mapped and our import processed, let's take a look at our work. As you can see, we've created a pledge with the appropriate date, fund, campaign, and amount. And that's importing a pledge. I hope you found this video helpful, and smash that like button. Thank you.